Study panel. This is Devendra Sijala from Kendriya Vidyalaya Rajkot. In today's video, we shall start the first part of the talkative barber of our fifth marigold. Dear students, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe it to stay updated. Let us move on to the story. This is one of the story from Arabian Nights. Arabian Nights is a book of various stories. You can see here. This is Arabian Nights, tells from Arabian Nights. So this story is also taken from the book Arabian Nights. A barber lived in the city of Kaskar. See, this is a barber and he was living in the city of Kaskar. Once, Sultan called the barber to shave his head. Then he came and started talking non-stop instead of shaving. Sultan got angry and asked him to stop talking and continue his work. See, as we know that the name of the chapter is Talkative Barber. So as soon as the barber came, he started talking non-stop. So Sultan got angry and asked him, please stop talking and do your work. Now the barber told, you did me an injury by calling me a chatterer. Everyone says I am very quiet. I have 6 brothers. See, now barber got hurted that you have insulted me. You did me an injury. What do you mean by injury? Damage to a person's feeling. At that time, when the king got angry and told barber that stop talking and do your work, at that time he feel insulted. Now what happens now? Here we can see the meaning of injury is damage to a person's feeling. And what is the meaning of chatterer? A person who chatters means who talks continuously is known as chatterer. Now barber said that everyone in our family says that I am very quiet. I have 6 brothers. You can see these 6 brothers of barber. Now one is deaf and other stammers. One is deaf means less hearing power. Means we can also say that cannot hear, do not have the listening power, can also be called deaf. Stammers means cannot speak properly. Now a tendency to repeat the initial letter words. In Hindi we can say that ruk ruk ke bolna ya haklana. It is known as stammers. One is deaf, other is stammers. The next one is humpback. You can see this is humpback. And the another one is toothless. You can see this is toothless means without any tooth, having no teeth. Now the next one is half blind and the last is full blind. See, the next one is half blind means having only one eye to see. This one is full blind, cannot see anything. Now their names are, see, these are the 6 brothers and let us know about their names are Bakban, Bakbaria, Bakbak, Alkuz, Al-Nashi, Shakabak, and I am the youngest of my family. So there are total 7 brothers including this barber. These are 6 and the last one is the barber, and the barber is the youngest of his family. Now Sultan was fed up with the barber. Now what did he do? He gave him 3 pieces of gold. The Sultan cried, losing all patience. Now at last the Sultan was fed up and Sultan cried that give him 3 pieces of gold like this. Now what is patience? Lose of temper. अपने आप को मतलब जो है बहुत कंट्रोल किया सुल्तान ने, लेकिन लास्ट में उसने कहा इसको पैसे दे दो और इसको दफा करो यहाँ से. And send him away. I will not shave today. That means I don't want to shave today because of this talkative barber. Give him money and let him go. Now what did barber say? I will not quit your house till I shave. The barber said. Barber refused to go away. Now, see, certain words we should keep in mind. We should listen in the story very carefully. That barber will not quit quit your house. I will not quit your house till I shave. Means barber refused to go away. I have an affair of the greatest importance. I have to go out at noon, said the Sultan. Now, Sultan said that I have a very important work at noon, so I have to go out. So you please complete your work, otherwise you leave the place. Now, if you could inform me what this important affair is, I would give more advice which you might find useful, the barber said. Now again, barber is interrupting the king and telling that, what important affair do you have today? If you can tell me, then I will give you some advice. The Sultan was completely fed up by now and decided to satisfy the barber. He told him that he was giving a feast to some of friends at noon. Now at last, Sultan was fed up with the barber and said that I have organized a feast for some of my friends at noon to satisfy the barber. Now what happens? Finish shaving at once, the Sultan exclaimed. Now Sultan was very terrified and told the barber that you finish your shaving at once. But instead of doing this, the barber left Sultan half shaved to go and see what time it was. Now, अब क्या हुआ? आधा जो सर था उसने शेव कर दिया, आधा रह गया. और क्या है, वो घड़ी देखने चला गया. कौन? बार्बर. My patience is exhausted, the Sultan cried. Now Sultan was totally tired with the behavior of barber. The barber asked him to be calm. Barber told him that please be calm. I will perform my duty. I will shave your head. Yesterday I invited 4 or 5 friends to come to my house, but I forgot and have not made any preparation for them. Now, Barber is also saying that I have also invited my 4 or 5 friends, but I have not made any such arrangements for their food. Now, I have also not made any preparation for them. लाइकवाइज जैसे सुल्तान ने जो ऑर्गेनाइज किया है फीस्ट, वैसे बार्बर ने भी किया है, लेकिन उसने कोई प्रिपरेशन किया है नहीं. नाउ द सुल्तान हु वाज एट द मर्सी ऑफ द बार्बर वाज रेडी टू डू एनीथिंग टू गेट रीड ऑफ हिम. Be quick and finish your work, the Sultan replied. Now at last what happened? Now Sultan told that whatever you want, take away, but finish your work and go to your home. Now Sultan was stuck with the barber and he wanted to get rid of this barber. वो कहते ना कि गले पड़ना, बार्बर जो है गले पड़ गया था उनके. Please show me the food so that I may judge if it is enough for my 5 friends or not. Now what happens? Now barber told that please show me the food you prepared so that I can judge that it will be sufficient for my 4 or 5 friends or not. That means जो खाना बनाया है क्या वो मेरे 4 या 5 दोस्तों के लिए सफिशिएंट होगा कि नहीं होगा, वो मैं देख के बता दूंगा. So please show me the food. The barber looked over food and said, this is very good, but I shall want some fruit for dessert also. Now see, now barber advised king that you should also keep some dessert. So what is meant by dessert? Dessert means a sweet course eaten at the end of the meal. मतलब खाने के अंत में कुछ मीठा खाना जो होता है, that is dessert. So barber advised that you should keep some fruit as a dessert. The Sultan, in desperation, since his head was half shaved, you can see the half head is shaved and the half is not shaved, ordered that the fruit should also be brought in. At last Sultan told that please bring some fruit so that we can get rid of this barber. Now suddenly barber stopped shaving and told that the king Sultan was very generous. Now लास्ट में जो है बार्बर ने शेविंग बंद कर दिया और कह दिया कि भाई सुल्तान बहुत ही जनरस है, मतलब हेल्पफुल है, उदार है. Why he told that? Because Sultan gave away all the food and please take all this food, go away from here. So this is the story that कभी कभी हमें कुछ चीजें कुछ लोगों के साथ ऐसा पाला पड़ जाता है जिससे हम लोग जो है अपने आप को छुड़ा नहीं पाते हैं. तो यहाँ पर भी जो है बार्बर जो है वो सुल्तान के गले पड़ गया. लास्ट में उसका सारा खाना वाना सब लेकर गया, तब ताकि उसने अपना काम जो है अपने ढंग से नहीं किया, इतना परेशान करने के बाद भी. तो हमारी लाइफ में भी ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं. देयर आर मेनी पीपल इन आवर लाइफ, वी डोंट वांट देम टू टॉक विद अस बट दे आर कंटिन्यूअसली टॉकिंग टू अस. We want to avoid that, but they will come to us and ask again. So these kind of things happen in our life also. Now let us move on to the new words. Chatterer, someone who talks a lot. Defect means a fault. Opinion, what a person feels about a person, thing or subject. In this story, the barber told that I would give my opinion if you have any important work. So this is opinion means what a person feels about a person. Exhausted, tired or fed up. Exhausted मतलब परेशान हो चुका है. Tired and fed up. Dessert, sweet dish served after the main meal. Examine, to look at something very carefully. Means to observe something very carefully. That means to examine. At length, at stretch, continuously. Thank you all of you dear students. If you feel this video is useful to you, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.